Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are making lal mat ki sabji, which is also known as chauli, cheera or amaranth leaves. So let's get into this video. For that you'll require 2 bunch of amaranth leaves. So here I've taken 1 bunch. I'm going to clean this first and then I'll take the second bunch. So I'm cutting this rope off, removing it, and now we'll start cleaning one by one. So it's very easy to clean an amaranth leaf. Just you need to use this part and discard the thick stems. Just like this. Discard this, don't use that. And the stems that you feel it is soft and nice, that you can use. So I'm going to show you all one by one how you can use these amaranth leaves. So just use this much and discard the rest. And the leaves that contain holes, don't use that. It's not good. And you need to throw away the flowers. It is also not good. Don't use for the sabji. Discard that and only use the soft stems and leaves. So this is a very important part in making the sabji. That's why I am showing you all a detailed video on how to clean the amaranth leaves. And we'll discard this. So similarly you need to clean all the leaves just like this, and see this part, it is soft. This is a soft stem. As you can see here, I am going to cut off and use that, and remaining I am going to discard. So same manner you need to clean, and we'll clean the second bunch also the same manner. So you must be feeling why we have taken so much amaranth leaves. It's because when you make the sabji, it's going to obviously reduce. Now I've discarded those, and now we'll start chopping them. So just hold the leaves together and roughly chop. No need to finely chop, just roughly chop them just like this. Once you roughly chop them, you need to wash them at least 3 to 4 times and then drain out the water. So why you need to wash them at least 4 times is because these leaves contain lot of mud particle. That's why you need to wash them at least 4 times and then drain out the water. So these are very good for health and very nutritious. So definitely make this sabji. So now I am going to wash this for 4 times and drain out the water, and now we'll start making the amaranth leaf sabji. For that, here in a kadai I am adding 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Whatever cooking oil you have, you can use that. Once the oil heats up, to this I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds crackle up a bit. Now to this I am adding 7 green chilies chopped, 5 cloves of chopped garlic. Now I am going to saute these just for few seconds, just so that the raw aroma of the garlic disappear. Once you have sauteed this for few seconds, now to this I am adding 3 medium sized finely chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of salt. So salt will fasten up the frying process. That's why I mostly add salt after adding the onions. Now you need to saute this until the onions turn golden brown in color on medium flame. Just like this. Now it looks perfect. Now to this here I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I am going to mix this well, and very basic ingredients you need to make this sabji. Not lot of spices, nothing, just basic spices and ingredients, that's it. Now to this here I am adding the washed lal mat. So first I am adding only half of the portion, not entire leaf, because as you can see there are a lot of leaf. So first I am going to mix this slowly just like this. Once this is mixed and it gets little reduced, to this we will add the remaining amaranth leaves. And no need to worry, it's going to drastically reduce when it is cooked. So no need to worry about that. Now I am going to add the remaining leaves. I am going to mix them nicely the same manner, and there is no much cooking time required to cook these sabji. In very less time it gets cooked. Now you need to carefully mix this. As you can see, there is a load of amaranth leaves in this kadai. Once we have mixed this, now I am going to cover and cook this on medium flame for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, not more than that. It's been 5 minutes and our sabji is ready. Now I am going to adjust some salt. So you can adjust according to your choice. Now I am going to mix this well and switch off the flame. Now to mask the flavor of amaranth leaves, what I am going to do is I am going to add some freshly grated coconut. So that will give a slight sweet flavor to our sabji. So I have switched off the flame, and to this here I am adding half cup of freshly grated coconut. So this will give a wonderful flavor to our sabji. Now we'll mix this well and serve this hot with some rice, roti, bhakri, whatever of your choice. Definitely try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and please do share this video with all your friends and family for more such wonderful recipes. Thank you for watching.